So it's no secret robot vacuums promise to make life easier. But do they really live up to the hype? We put this one through 8 months of real life chaos to find out. We don't want to focus on the unboxing, but I will say the vacuum arrived well packaged and it was easy to set up for the most part. I'll get into what I wish was better explained in the manual in a bit. This robot vacuum is a 2-in-1, which means it can both vacuum and mop, and honestly it does a pretty solid job at both. I was impressed with how well it picked up dust, crumbs, and especially hair. Speaking of hair, when it starts collecting around the brushes, the vacuum actually gives you a warning before it gets too bad, and removing the hair is quick and painless, no scissors needed. The sonic mopping is another nice upgrade. It doesn't just drag around a wet pad, it scrubs the floor back and forth with thousands of vibrations per minute. Perfect for light spills or regular cleaning. The app also allows you to set no mopping zones, so you don't have to worry about this trying to mop your carpet. The mopping attachment is different from some of the other vacuums I've seen. While those just attach with Velcro, the slide-in design on this one keeps it firm and stable during cleaning, so it won't slip off and scratch hardwood floors. That said, I do wish there were clearer instructions on how to attach the mop pad and fill the water tank. It can take a little bit of time to figure it out. A better visual guide would have been helpful. The cleaning solution is available at most retail stores and on Amazon. It has a really pleasant scent and leaves the room smelling fresh. Just a tip, don't leave the solution and the mop attached on the vacuum all the time, it can lead to mold. It's easy to remove, so just let it air dry in between uses. Another feature that's great is spot cleaning. You don't always want it to clean the whole house for just one little mess. You can select the area on the map and it'll just do a thorough job of cleaning that spot. It also comes with HEPA filtration in the base, which is great for pet owners or anybody with allergies. And since it's bagless, you're not stuck buying replacement bags. It will notify you when it needs to be emptied so you don't have to guess. What we were most happy with is the mapping. It's very accurate. You can customize rooms, set no-go zones, and adjust cleaning preferences right on the app. But if I had to mention a negative of this vacuum, it would also be the app. It works well most of the time, but the interface can be a bit confusing at first, especially when setting up custom routines. Also, after an update, the app may reset your map, and you will have to remap the home from scratch. It's not hard, just mildly annoying. Since we got this 8 months ago, the app has improved a lot, and there are constant updates, so they are working on making it better and easier to use. It's just not quite there yet, in my opinion. As for how loud it is, you can mute the vacuum's voice alerts, which is nice, but the self-emptying process is pretty loud. So if you want it to clean while you're sleeping, I recommend setting it up in a room far away from your bedroom. Overall, the Shark Matrix Plus does everything I would expect from a robot vacuum in this price range. It picks up hair like a pro, it mops efficiently, the self-emptying base means way less maintenance. So when it comes to a way of keeping your floors clean every day, this one, in my opinion, is definitely worth checking out.